Slow down, slow down, slow down. We not a rush, we not a rush. We taking over, we taking over. Let's go there. That's all. Big light, make some noise. That's all. One time. All right, 2 times for the DJ in the building, DJ Minaj. Alongside DJ Obligana. MC the people. MC the people. My boss, my big man there, I'll talk correct. Okay. PDP, on behalf of the organizing committee, I here flag off this city walk. We also apologize for the absence of our candidate, His Excellency in waiting. He sends his apologies with his running mate, Lady Emana Emawe. Thank you and welcome everybody, especially the status quo of the party who are all present. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let the party get started. Are you ready for some fitness tonight? Are you ready for some fitness this morning? Let's hit the street. Slow down. We not a rush, we taking over, Let's go there. That's all. Big light, make some noise. That's all. One time. All right, 2 times for the DJ in the building, DJ Minaj. Alongside DJ Obligana. MC the people.